Hey, lovers.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Yeah, I'm talking to y'all late. We getting on camera late because I didn't even think about it earlier, but we just went to grab some stuff from Ulta. I'll show y'all that when I get in the house. And I also got some stuff from Paul's, which is like a professional beauty supply store out here. I just got some bonnets for my hair, but y'all, I finished my hair. But yes, we finally got it done. It's curd outside today, honey.
Let me tell you, what if I do a
damn, I still didn't go get the
what?
You said go to the beauty supply store and get the hair. I was supposed to go to the beauty supply store and get some more hair, some more packs of hair for you. Now we about to head to y'all.
Tonight we are going to the Jurassic Park.
Yes, to the Jurassic Park.
What you get me to eat?
I'm going to McDonald's and get some food. Because I was going to go to Sonic, but Sonic takes way too long. Damn, I'm in the wrong lane. McDonald's is out there, but I wanted to go that way.
Over there, Mommy.
Yeah, I got me some more lip gloss, some more eyeshadow. Because I'm really about to start putting on some. I used to do like this little look with concealer. LA girl.
That's what I wanted to try to start doing.
That's what I did. Yeah, because I been needing something on my face, and my face ain't giving flawless. You know, you feel me? I don't know what my face giving, but it ain't giving flawless. So I just be needing a little extra. You know, he mad. He mad at me because I got in front of him.
Is he mad?
So let's do this. Don't play with my leaf, baby. Don't play with me. You about to start yelling at me in a minute.
I know, it is. Oh, because we got to race him. Why
Yes.
would he
Don't
turn
try
down
out.
here?
Yeah, he did. Don't try to outrace me because you weren't paying attention, bruh.
God.
Oh, God, he coming back, y'all. He coming back. He coming back. All right, beat him. It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. He just knew his little junk was going to burn my little car.
Yeah, he
No,
He
it's
did.
not. Don't play with my little leaf like that.
Right.
Like, I got 2 speeds. Y'all tripping.
Yes.
So what you call
And
it?
that one not even open.
That's why I said you got to come around this way. Tell you to turn here and go here.
Y'all want some?
Yeah. Can I get a sandwich and some extra fries? Can
How
I
you
have
doing?
extra fries with a sandwich? With no sandwich.
I'm good, thank you. May I have a quarter pounder meal?
This ain't even enough. Make it enough.
Yeah, you gotta make that shit enough. Please have your payment ready.
McDonald's is actually cool because I told you I went to McDonald's the breakfast at Chick-fil-A and it was costing almost $30 for 3 people.
Every time I go to Chick-fil-A, I spend $34.
4 people. And breakfast should not be $30 unless you're sitting down
How much
eating.
was your meal? Oh, it's okay, John.
Well,
Do
what
you
happened?
use this?
I don't know.
Are you gonna use
Tell us
I want you to
about
put some on.
it.
Yeah,
I just
be
need
taking
it
it.
now. But I forgot what I was telling y'all about. I went to Ulta and bought some. I just bought some like concealers and stuff like that. Cause I used to put on like concealer, and that'd be good for me. Like my face is not
Did
like
you open it, Jules?
I don't have real problem type of skin where I need like a full face all the time.
Let's drink.
But now that I'm doing my lashes, I be like, okay, I got on my lashes, but I'm missing like
Okay.
the flawlessness of the look. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's see which is lip.
This is popping hot. Y'all get. Okay.
He waiting on my large fries. He waiting on my Piper hot fries. Y'all, these straws, paper straws, be killing me.
I know.
Stop yelling, girl. Thank you.
Martin had a dream. No cheese.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's stressful.
So y'all wasn't share what I bought, but I do when I get back in the house. It's not that much. I just like when I buy stuff. I like to show y'all when I buy stuff.
Like she going somewhere tonight, she gonna put it on.
Right. I ain't going, and that's the same. I ain't going nowhere. But I think I said I was gonna do a video for y'all get ready with me. Because somebody asked me the other day what makeup I put on. At the time, I didn't have on any makeup, but thank you. I'm flattered. All right, so I'm gonna talk to y'all when we get to the little place or whatever.
Discovery it is, but it is thought to be a member of the Allosauridae group that lived into the early Cretaceous. Seats lived in North America at about the same time as some members of the Tyrannosaur family, but those Tyrannosaurs didn't get any larger than about the size of a Great Dane because the Allosauridae had already been filled. Also in this scene, you'll see Deinonychus, or Deinonychus if you prefer. The name means terrible claw because of the sickle-like claws on its toes. If you've ever seen a movie that had a dinosaur called Velociraptor, there's a good chance it was actually a Deinonychus. And the director just thought that Velociraptor sounded cooler.
Make sure to pause your audio tour until you reach our next dinosaur scene.
I like this too. It's super cute. That's that thing. It's huge. That's another Bryonic. And then they did the actual height one too. This is how big they would be if they was here right now. Man, they be tearing the city down. Girl.
Rex, Lisa, do you copy? Oh no, this is terrible. Well, since we're here, Triceratops is an herbivore from the end of the Cretaceous period. That's the same time and place that T-Rex lived. Now, Triceratops means three-horned face for pretty obvious reasons. Scientists used to think that Triceratops used the frill on the back of its head to defend its neck from T-Rex. That seems like it would make a lot of sense, but there's actually evidence that when T-Rex did eat Triceratops, he would sometimes bite down on that frill and pull the Triceratops' head right off. That meant it was less of a shield and more of a pull tab.
Hey y'all. So I'm about to get ready to go to the mall real quick. I'm doing something real chill. I was like, you know what? I forgot to show y'all what I got from Ulta yesterday. So I'm gonna do it real quick and then I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting ready. I know my face dry, but I'm about to wash it. But first I got, this is my favorite. Y'all don't know why this cheap ass brand is my favorite mascara, but I don't wear a lot of mascara, so I found one company that I really like, and it's Essence Cosmetics. I love these little 2-packs. So the first one is the Princess Lash, or both of them are Princess Lash, but one is waterproof and one is not, and it gives like a false eye effect. But I love the applicator brush that comes with it. That's what I really like. That's why they got me. Then I got some LA Girl Pro Prep Moisture Nourishing Face Primer. And that was, oh, this was $8.99. This was $8.99. Let me see, was it? But I got 20% off of everything, so everything was to be like $5 and $6. I think he forgot to ring this up. Pro Matte Foundation, Lip Plumper, Dual Pack, LA Girl Pro Concealer Toast, LA Girl Pro Concealer Suede, LA Girl Profession Eyeliner. Okay, y'all, he forgot to ring this one up. It's not on here, but I'm pretty sure it was $8.99. Then I got the LA Girl Pro Concealer, Pro Matte Foundation. This was $8.99. I ended up getting it for $6.74 because everything was 20% off. I got the LA Girl Lip Plumper Tinted in the color Tickled. Let's see how it looks, because I couldn't open it in the store. Just like I couldn't try on my foundation in the store, so I don't know what color it is. This was $3.70. It was originally $4.99, but I got it for $3.74. I got these two concealers. I got Suede and Toast.
$3. And these were $4.99. I got them for $3.74. Then I purchased a, this is an eyeliner. I was looking for the lip liner because I need a dark brown to go with my lip gloss. I like dark brown lip liner. But I ended up getting the eyeliner, which we're going to see if it works. It looks like it was going to do pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty dark. It's dark enough, so I think it'll do. Oh, and it goes on easy. So I got that. That ended up being $2.99, but I got it for $2.24. And then last but certainly not least, I got the LA Girl Matte Velvet Lipstick in Curried Away. And it's like a pink color to go with my tinted lip gloss. I like to get the matte to put under, it works out. But this was $3.99 and I got it for $2.99. And altogether I ended up spending like $30. So. But he forgot to add the little pro concealer thing, so I don't know how that's gonna go. But I don't know. Yeah, now I'm about to get dressed. I'm putting on a True Living sweatsuit. And I'm just gonna put it on my trench, and we're gonna call it a day. But yeah, alright y'all, so I'm gonna do that. Y'all wanna see what I do? So since I got braces, I'm gonna show y'all my routine real quick. So the toothpaste I use, I'm not gonna show y'all how I brush my teeth because it'd be a mess. The shampoo, the only toothpaste I use is Sensodyne while I have braces. You're not supposed to use anything with whitening in it, so I don't. Then, after I brush my teeth, go through my teeth with floss. So these are like this is like a little loop that I put the floss in this part, and then I just take this part through my braces. And then I also use, what is it called, a proxy brush? I think that's what it's called. Then I break off one of these. These are proxy brushes. And I just take that through my braces just to get out any like food that I didn't get out before. And then yeah, that's it. That's all I do.